The heart-touching story of Hazrat Ibrahim A.S. and his ultimate sacrifice. Long ago, in a land of towering idols and misguided people, lived a man whose heart was filled with truth, Hazrat Ibrahim A.S. From a young age, he questioned the world around him. While others worshipped the sun, the moon, and statues made of stone, Ibrahim searched for the one true creator, the one who made the skies, the earth, and the soul that beat within his chest. One night, he looked up at the stars and thought, could this be my Lord? But when they disappeared, he said, I do not love things that fade. His heart was not swayed by the temporary. He found peace only in the eternal. With a brave heart, he stood against his entire people, even his own father, who was a sculptor of idols. He broke the false gods they worshipped and pointed them toward the truth. For this, his people threw him into a blazing fire. But Allah said to the fire, O fire, be cool and safe for Ibrahim. And the fire, which should have burned him to ashes, became a place of peace. This was not the end of his trials. For years, he and his wife Sarah lived without children. Then, in his old age, he was blessed with a son through his second wife, Hagar, the beloved boy Ismail A.S. Hazrat Ibrahim A.S. loved Ismail deeply, but soon Allah would test his love and faith in a way that would echo through all of history. One night, Ibrahim had a dream. He saw himself sacrificing his son. The dream came again and again. He knew now this was a command from Allah. With a trembling heart, he went to his young son and said, O my son, I have seen in a dream that I must sacrifice you. So what do you think? There was no fear in the boy's eyes, just love and trust. O my father, said Ismail, do what you are commanded. You will find me, if Allah wills, among the patient. Imagine a father tying the hands of the child he prayed for. Imagine laying your only son on the earth, blade in hand, tears in eyes, heart shattered but faith unbroken. As he brought the knife down, ready to surrender completely to the will of Allah, the voice from the heavens called out, O Ibrahim, you have fulfilled the vision. Allah replaced Ismail with a ram. It was never about the blood. It was about the heart, about surrender, about trust. That day, Hazrat Ibrahim A.S. showed the world the meaning of true submission, not just through words, but through action. A father willing to give up his most beloved gift for the love of his Lord. A son willing to give up his life for the sake of Allah. This story is not just history. It is a legacy. Every year, millions of Muslims around the world commemorate this moment through the act of Qurbani. During al-Adha, Hazrat Ibrahim A.S. taught the world that faith means walking into the fire if Allah wills it. That trust means putting the knife to what you love most. And that love for the Creator must come before all else.